Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh, and today we will discuss about some coding programming, which whenever I go to interview, the interviewer asks for me. So today we will discuss about the palindrome number or palindrome string as well. First, we discuss in this video, we cover the string. So palindrome strings means when any string which reverse and it exactly the output is the same. Like if we have the word like madam. So whenever we reverse this, it output will be means whenever we reverse, it will come madam. So this is the palindrome. So today we'll be implementing this. So for that, first we need to get the string for user. So basically here I get the string hard coded. First it means I'm not getting string through user. I directly get here. So I define one string as the str and define madam. So after that we need to two variables. One is the left and right. So left means the starting. So it start from zero, right? So the madam start from zero because it's the string and the array, our array or the anything we start from zero. And we need to left as well like this. So inside right we not added zero. Instead of that we use the string dot length minus one, right? And we need to one more variable which is the if the our string is not reverse, we want to count that number. So for that we write like no reverse count something. Initial we define as a zero. Then we use the while loop here, and inside the while loop we write the condition like left less than right. Okay, and here we use the if condition. If string of left is not equal to string of right, then we increment the reverse count number, means no reverse count number, like reverse count number plus plus. And also after that whenever we got any this thing is not reverse, then we don't check the further, so we use the break statement there, so our loop will be execute. Now here our string is only the 5 character. In this case our string is the 10 or 10 10 thousands like this. Then we not need to check every character, we just check the first and last, and whenever we got this string is not reverse, we will break that. And here we use the left increment, means this left will be incremented because here we use the condition, no, and we make this our right variable as a minus minus. And once our while loop is completed, we use the another condition like if no count reverse is 1, then print the string is palindrome, else the string is not palindrome. Okay, so now our string is the reverse, because no, I'm making mistake for the spelling here. I need to make madam. So now this string If you manually reverse this, that will make the madam as well. So I will save this program. I will run this. See what shall the output. Once I show the output, then we will see this through debugging. See, the string is a palindrome. So now stop this, and instead of the here, I am putting any character, so it will not make a reverse like cd. I make here. I make this capital. What is so I will run. No, I guess I put the yeah. I need to change this accordingly, like a. Okay, I make this string. So I run the program again. Yeah, the string is not palindrome because if you reverse this, it will come like M A. Instead of D, it returning M. Then B. It is not present here, so it not reversing properly. So it give a string is not palindrome. So the first case we check for the madam. So I make the madam and I will put the debugger here and I will run the program. So the first time our the left is 0 and right will be the 4 because the our string is 5 character, and here in the right side we use the string dot length minus 1, so it will the 4. So this condition is true, it come inside this. Then we use the F10 key. So here this both condition means the string of 0 and string of 4 means we checking this first and last. So it is the 4 like M, and the first also it is M. So it not enter the in the if condition. So our left will be increases, so our left will be make 1 and right will become 3. See here the left will be a 1 and right will be a 3. The condition is true. Then it check the if condition like this, it will run. So whenever the this condition is false, here we check the no reverse count is 0. So this is condition is also true. So it print the string is palindrome. Now we will check for the string is not a palindrome. So instead of palindrome, I will give another like A S B. I will give the random anything. So we will check for this now. So we get the left, we get the right as a 4, then reverse string is 0. The condition is the satisfies in this time. So we will check the means we run the F10 key, then F10. So here the string of left means string of 0 is A, but the string of 4 is a C. Thus, so it is not matched. So we increase the number of reverse count and we break this. So it will the our while loop is the break, and here we use the if condition. So this condition also false, the number of reverse count less than 1. So if this condition is false, and this string the string is not palindrome. So that's it for this video. If you want to see about the reverse means the palindrome number program, then you can comment. We will do that as well. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching.